Guys, check out this LS swapped Land Rover.
What are you riding?
The interior on this thing is insane. This was originally a diesel, and they LS swapped it, and they said the diesel puts out about 190 horsepower. This one's pushing now around 600. That looks awesome. What is going on, internet? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the shop with my 911, and this is I think probably the first time this has ever been done with a 911. We are Tesla wheel swapping the steering wheel. Let me explain how we got to this point, okay? It was 1 a.m. I was in my room surfing the web, going through eBay, looking for steering wheels for the car, looking at Momo steering wheels, looking at NRG setups, looking at the whole 9 yards. And I came across some really cool square, style racing wheels, and I thought, wow, I really like that. I'd like that in my car. Let's look at what's available. And upon looking at more and more, I realized, oh, this looks just like the Tesla Model Plaid steering wheel. And then down the rabbit hole I went. I found some used ones for sale, compare the prices. Surprisingly, some of the Tesla wheels were cheaper than the NRG or the Momo steering wheels that I wanted. And I like the idea of putting the Tesla wheel in because I don't think anybody has done that before. So here we are. I have the Tesla wheel. We've got the stock wheel off right now. Here's a video of me taking the wheel off. So we're taking out the stock wheel right now. I'll show you guys how the different size in the Tesla wheel. I had to get an adapter for it.
Wrong way.
Is it again?
Yep.
I do it every time. I just tighten it down. Oh, you're right. Wrong way. There we go. Side. Just explodes. There we go. Boom, just like that. There's the stock wheel. I just about lost the washer. Okay. I did lose the washer. Okay. Do you want to grab the Tesla wheel?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we'll actually need this off. So we need the Phillips. And I lost the screw somewhere. Okay, there we go. Let's hold on to those. Okay. So here is the Tesla wheel. And that's what basically it's gonna look like. It's freaking sweet. We have this NRG adapter that we're gonna mount to here. Actually, we haven't even test fit it yet. Let's hope it fits.
Other way.
Other way. So there's the top. It fits. So we have this, and then
Coordinate shit?
yeah. You want to be in the video, Rick?
Fuck no.
And then it will bolt to that like that, which is actually really nice distance. You don't like videos, Rick? That's what we got. Okay, let me explain a little bit further what we are doing and what we have going on. So, here it is. This is the Tesla Plaid steering wheel. Very cool steering wheel, feels really good. this steering shaft will not fit in the 911. It is too big. So we had to get this full billet aluminum NRG adapter. This fits on the car. So now all we need to do, since this fits in the car and bolts in, we need to mount this adapter and this wheel and essentially make this one unit. In order to do that, I'm going to grind down the steering shaft of this Tesla wheel to where this is essentially just a flat plane to work with, and I will use these two holes, the 12 and the 6, and we'll just drill right through the Tesla wheel and mount it, and then later on we'll find some way to cover this, maybe with the Tesla bag, or 3D print something and slap on the Porsche logo. But this will be the wheel in the car, and that's how we're gonna get it done. So it's time to start grinding. Okay, I'm about to throw the Tesla wheel in the vise, but first I'm going to cover the vise with all these cloth. I really don't want to damage the leather or anything like that, or have any imprints of where I'm clamping it in the vise, because I will be clamping it pretty tight. I don't want it moving around while I'm trying to work on it. Okay, there we go. And here we got our angle grinder. This is probably the weirdest project I've ever done. Enjoy the show. I'm actually shocked of how much dust that kicked up. You can't see it, but aluminum everywhere. There we go. Very nice. Okay. Now we gotta work on bolting these together. Alright guys, here is an issue I'm running into as I was just about to mount it in the car and almost be done. I realized that this piece and through this piece is it's too thick for my driving shaft to come through and still bolt down. So I need to essentially hollow this out more so that I can tighten down the bolt that holds the steering wheel down to the adapter, and this is in the way, so we got to hollow it out. Okay, so now that we have this giant hole here, I am going to bolt it all together, and it should still work because I'll be able to reach. You'll see when it's in the car. It'll make more sense, but I've got it figured out. Okay, there's one. Yes, there we go. All right, guys, check it out. It is finally one unit. So those two bolts there onto there. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. So we need to feed all these wires through here. There we go. Okay. Where did my Okay guys, we were so close to being done. I can get, the steering shaft nut on, but because of the washers I picked out, I cannot get my ratchet in here to tighten it. I do have enough clearance, right, if these washers weren't there, but if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right. So I got to take the wheel off and unbolt it again and get smaller washers for this. It's the small things that matter, but we got to do it again. Okay guys, it is in, and I'm shaking it right now. Well, there's a little bit of play, but it feels very secure. And yeah, that's it. I am completely out of time. I need to get out of the shop, and I also am starving, so I'm gonna go get some dinner. I will show you guys the final product. This might have to be a two-part video. I hate those myself, so I know that's annoying, but I just ran out of time completely. So there will be another video uploaded very soon. I will be covering this up completely, and we will see the Tesla steering wheel in the 911 in its entirety very soon. But for now, I think that is looking awesome.